What's up, YouTube? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today it's going to be a quick video. It's going to be an unboxing, a quick first reactions review of these things that I purchased. What I got was a bendy tripod, a microphone, and a bunch of mounts and things for my GoPro. And this is just going to be my quick first reactions. I just wanted to invest a little bit into this little endeavor that I'm trying to do in building this channel, and hopefully these things will help me produce better quality video. Over the next several weeks, I plan to use these items and really test them out, and hopefully I will be able to give an in-depth review in a few months. And I'm going to let you know if they're worth buying or not. If they are good, I'll let you know that, but if they're bad, believe me, I'm gonna let you know. I searched around YouTube for these items, and I really couldn't find any reviews on them, unboxing, to show me what I wanted to see, except for the bendy tripod, which you're sitting on now. I'm gonna drop links in the description for these items in case you want to check them out for yourself, see the reviews. They all had good reviews on Amazon, and they were at really good prices. Anyway, with that, let's jump into the unboxing. Okay, so starting off, what I have here is it's a pop voice microphone, lapel mic, I guess that's what I would call it. It says lavalier microphone. Anyway, all of these things that I ordered, well, they were cheap. They're Amazon items. However, they all had really good reviews, so I'm going to test them out and see. Obviously, I'm using an iPhone XS right now, as sometimes I'll be using a GoPro Hero 7 Black, so obviously this won't work on either of those without an adapter. I have to get a lightning adapter for this, and I don't think I'll be purchasing the adapter for the GoPro, at least not right now, because they are kind of expensive from what I saw. I think the cheapest one that I saw was about, the adapter at least was about, I think it was like almost $40, maybe $50. Anyway, so let's open this thing up. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna take a look at it real quick. Hopefully this will help me make a little bit better videos. So you open the box. It comes in a pretty cool little case here. It's like velvet kind of case. It's got their logo on it. Pop voice. Okay. Comes some kind of little instruction manual. Kind of how it works. And how to use it with your phone or whatever device that you're working on. So it looks like it's pretty well made so far. Like I said, I'm just now unboxing this thing, so I'm not really sure how it's gonna work. Hopefully it works good. It looks like it's pretty good quality. All the cord and everything looks pretty good, but hopefully over the next few weeks I'll get to use this thing with my phone. Anyway, this is the microphone, and hopefully it works pretty good. So far it looks pretty good. I think it's gonna be pretty decent, so we'll give it a whirl. We'll set this to the side and get on to the next thing. All right, this is the thing that I'm probably most excited about getting unboxed, so I don't have to use this little selfie stick much anymore. This is my Fotopro bendy tripod. It's similar to a Joby tripod, but it's a little bit cheaper. This one had tons of good reviews. I watched a couple videos about it, and it's pretty cool, so I'm gonna give it a try. Later on, I'll probably upgrade to a Joby tripod, but for now, this will work for what I need it for. Inside of here, it tells me how I can get a free gift. Anyway, so what you get inside here, of course, is the bendy tripod. It, of course, I had to open this the other night because I was so excited about it, but I put it all back in the box like it came so that I could show you guys what it looks like when you buy this thing brand new. So obviously it stands up as a tripod, and you can bend the legs so it'll attach to railings or whatever, a tree limb, something like that. Maybe my fishing cart eventually, whatever. So I'm super excited about this. Plus it'll double as like a selfie stick. It came with a GoPro type mount for it. It also came with a phone mount. Seems pretty good quality so far. It comes with the Bluetooth control so that you can take pictures and things. You can connect it to your phone and tap on it. I'll have to figure out how that works. It comes with an instruction manual as well. Thank you for choosing Fotopro products. All right, guys, we got the phone mounted to the new tripod now. I'll show you what I was using before. I had some disinfecting wipes can, as well as some of my wife's Cricut vinyl, a roll of that, and my selfie stick was pushed down into that just so it would hold it all stable. All right, last product that I had, which contains a bunch of things. I'm gonna push this stuff out of the way so that we can open this bad boy up. All right. So it comes in this pretty cool little carrying case, kind of bigger, larger than I thought it would be, but it has like 40 something things in it. Okay, so we're gonna start off over on this side. It's got this, I guess this will be a floating GoPro mount selfie device. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I will use it eventually, I'm sure, as I go to the beach and other places later this year. This is the head strap for your GoPro. So you can put it on your head and kind of get a POV shots. Okay, so we got this little guy. And hey, that thing's pretty neat. You can tell it's all plastic and whatnot. It just came apart, which is, I knew it came with this, and that's why I went ahead and bought the Fotopro tripod because I figured that this would be pretty cheap and not work correctly, but that's okay. I didn't really need it. I have a limited amount of time trying to make this quick because my wife and son are playing in the other room, so I could film this real fast. So it's another little selfie stick. This should swivel. There it goes, swiveling back and forth once you loosen it up. Awesome. Let's check what we have over here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be cool. Awesome. This Insignia brand. I think Best Buy has their stuff. Anyway, this is my little chest rig for the GoPro. That's cool. I'm excited about that. And to the side, this is a wrist wrap. I guess your camera can go on your wrist and you can get other shots with that. Let's check on what's next. This thing comes with like tons of different mounts. I'll have to figure out what all these are and go from there. But it's cool to have all this stuff because I can basically put my phone and the GoPro pretty much anywhere I want to now. It comes with the extra screws, whatever these mounts are. I guess you could mount this to a handlebar. All right, this looks like it's something to clip on to like build a hat suction cup mount to mount it to a windshield, a dash, the side of a car. Alright, and this is free phone. Alright guys, hey, I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing review of these things. As I said earlier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these things out. I'm going to use them and I'm put them through their paces, and hopefully they will work and work to their full potential. They were kind of cheap items, so I'm not really expecting the most out of them. However, hey, this is all entry-level stuff into this YouTube game, so I'm gonna give my honest review of them. I'm gonna go with it and see how they all work, and then I'm gonna let you know. I really appreciate all the support that everyone's given me so far. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It has really been awesome to see the good feedback that everyone has given me, and I really can't wait to see where this thing goes. I've got 36 subs right now, I think at the time that I'm filming this video, and that doesn't seem like a whole lot as compared to the big YouTubers out here. But this is where it has to start. It starts with 0 on this thing. You don't just start out with 1 million. You can't like purchase them like a game. So I appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate every view that I have and like and everything like that. I'm very thankful. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like it. Let me know down in the comments what you think about these items. If you have any other items that you'd like me to purchase and review, I'm down with that also. If you are enjoying my content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time that I post a video. As I said, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.